Orlando Pirates played the first game on Saturday. Badlale ne Durban City. I said it even before the game. It won't be easy for Orlando Pirates because in the league, Durban City babambile and Orlando Pirates struggled to break their low block Durban City. What makes you think in a cup game it was going to be easy? Shout out to Kampani Lungu, Ufigile Wayenzi statement. What a beautiful goal that he scored. But going into that game, number one, coach Abdeslam Owadu continues to struggle with decision making. Loyamchita lwana uyahluleka ukusubstituta akakwazi ukusubstituta. You can't tell me as a defending champion of the MTN 8, defending champion of the league, defending champion of the Carling Knockout, you had a squad of players Obobadlalisa that won you all three of these tournaments. Then you are Hamba. Uyakula competition okukuthi as fans would like for you to defend maqeda lapho when you thatha ama player masha you throw them in the deep end and then you expect ukuthi badlale. I don't understand what was the reason of substituting uDenson. That was a wrong call. Substitute umuntu that was compact in the middle of the park uye bekadlalisa team yakho uye bekabaphi energy. uDenson was more in position and uye beka control midfield yakho uyamkhipha. He had no reason to substitute uDenson. Ibeyikuphi mistake yaka Denson. Another substitute enga-understandanga yaka Ozuna Police. Your most creative player uyamthatha uyamkhipha substitute ufaka bani ufaka uKhositsile has never played MTN 8. Yes, he had a good debut lapana badlala against Milford, but you can't expect ukuthi uzomkhipha and then akupe the same performance consistently. Let Ozona Police finish that game. Tsepang Muremi was struggling. He was not in the game. Tonsu Tsepang Muremi. Why start with Tito? Usbonele from last season he was struggling to add numbers into your attack with Tito. Utito flat-footed. Tito's very slow. Lacks creativity. Utito makmele kuta release ball akal release. Upizushana na matsamaya necessary Orlando Stadium yonke yahlanya. Sometimes uzibuza ukuthi what are we doing? Nesiyenza yithi futhi ama fans condona le bhola lakhe libhedayo bese makangabe nama results the very same fans siyabuya futhi samthuka sithi inini. Tito was not needed in that game. Yeah, ukorile penalty, so what? Anyone can score a penalty. I've seen Kosnati Sibisi score a penalty. I've seen Ronan Williams score a penalty. I've seen a goalkeeper score a penalty. So it doesn't mean scoring a penalty doesn't mean you did anything special. Utito was killing attack your Orlando Pirates. Begaba delay lapha phambili. Kunama chance begaba thola. There's a chance la bamshaya ngepass uyangena ngaphakathi boxini uyawa ufuna penalty. It wasn't even a penalty. So I don't understand this obsession with Utito. Another guy, you talk about him again. Yanela Mbuthuma. Orlando Pirates has given this guy a fair chance. If there's one player Orlando Pirates abampile a chance, it has to be Yanela Mbuthuma. And I think we've seen enough. We've seen enough, and since I understand that he'll never score goals, he'll never offer anything in attack. Maybe Bafetu, as I say, week in, week out, Orlando Pirates, maybe lomchitamele bamtetele, either bayam lona or bamhlalisa lapha ebenchini. uRadio Pane no Yanela Mbuthuma have both been given fair chances, but they failed. I'm a fan. They failed the club. Lomfana lona uRadio Pane uKhositsile uthatha umuntu amleyela, shayibolo boy. Kora uyayithatha uphasu goalkeeper. So that's not a striker that you can depend on. And you can't tell me Uluzu Mfukeng then you're replacing him a player 5. On top of replacing him with 5 players, you continue to sign players gula ma position la right corner. Ulogu yaqalisu Eddie number for what? Ulogu Eddie number for what? Ashilu Tloko ati baloke basayina ama player for necessary. I don't understand this obsession yokuthi siyasayina just because it's preseason. Look at the positions la besileka khona last season. We didn't have a prolific striker. Ayisaziyo ukuthi in a game, in 5 games you are guaranteed uzokushayela 3 goals. Go sign a striker. Good, siyabonga. Bahambile baye Europe. Nalomchito lo the Argentine guy abasazom announcer uzo add to creativity Orlando Pirates. Sharp. Sorted. These other guys are bani. Why are you signing these other guys? You have Dino van Rooyen, you have Spelebele fighting for that right back position. You have I understand the signing of Neo Rapo because undaba naye nje omunye lekayo lapha on the left. He got so many chances. He sometimes beka no release iball uzibuze ukuthi uphasa bani ufuna bani. Now he's another guy nje sometimes that's a bit clumsy. In the middle of the park you have Mbatha, Sihle Ndule, Simpiwe Silepe, Makhehleni Makaula, no Cameron Denson fighting for that position. That's more than enough. Those are the players that you can go compete with. Kukev, Uyengabo Gunat Benku Gupugupi. That's what we call squad depth. Laba boy 4. Let them fight for a lineup. Build combinations between these 4. If we want to Denson sharp number to build a combination between Silepe, Nalomchita Nunduli, and then Makhehleni Makaula because you understand Utsaka Kulile, you need him for experience every now and then. Umfaga from time to time. There's no need you go to Kwalise. After you have have those 4, you look la ngaphambili ukuthi okay, who replaces Mfukeng? We need a creative number 10. That's when you start go for abo Emil Witboy, you go for nabo Popo nabo banbani ukuthi nina lolani creativity lapha ya. I understand Khositsile, no problem, because you need depth lapha na emasidini. Other than that, amanye ama player angazi ukuthi Orlando Pirates iwayisa kuphi. I-Pirates iqale ukuleka kuleya game the moment kungena labafana lababasha. That's when Durban City yasebenzisa advantage yabo, yabashanga experience, yabasha futhi nange quality, bamakile labafana yava lama spaces. These guys are not used to playing in a sold out Orlando Amstel Arena wearing the Pirates badge and desperately having to win a game. When did Ukamhelo Mukobodi or Rubani Sibongo Sake ever have to defend the title? When did Kompani Lungu ever have to defend the title? Bage Babani, when did Yanela Mbutuma ever have to be in a position where I'm a defending champion, I have to defend my title? That's why as a performance so. Agachwaela angakuti bafetu tino sinama trophy se Richards Bay ga winan. What has Richards Bay ever won? And if we Yanela Mbutuma was effective go Richards Bay, bekumele mas bega mas stats at the end of the season, maybe bega kona go top 5 8 right but he wasn't even in the top 5. So if he struggled at Richards Bay, you can't tell me he'll be different playing for a big team like Orlando Pirates. This is the time where Orlando Pirates needs to decide ukuthi bayenzani ngoYanela Mbutuma. Either bayamrelease or bayamthengisa. So I don't understand this obsession abanayo ngoYanela Mbutuma. You have evidence Mahupa. He's won countless trophies in the Orlando Pirates. He's been in situations where he had to play a final for Orlando Pirates. Now we are defending champions. Tsegofatso Mabasa has been a defending champion in the Orlando Pirates. Talent Mbata, Sipo Chain, those are experienced players that you need in every team. Emhlabeni wonke jikelele, in every sport no mongayapi. There was never a time where a big team signed a new player and then a new player first game of the season boom uyadlala. A new player needs to earn their place and etimini enkulu or unkhuluma into engekho boss inyongo lento engikhulumayo. As a new player, you have to earn your place etimini entsha. Awunovela ufike etimini maqedwe all of a sudden so bench ama player ntswimbu so yadlala. Again, Abdeslam Owadu nge rotation and the confusion it continues this season. My biggest question is last season he was very lucky. Towards the end of the season, Gunala beses panic as it Owadu Maruzu win a league. Now, lucky enough, TS Galaxy and Kaizer Chiefs Zaibambi Mamelodi Sundowns. Are we gonna have the same situation this season? Sundowns babonile good last season baleke group. Are they gonna be like that this season? Good no. Sizeyegi Orlando Pirates is yenzele. Angeke baze bayeke ukuthi izenzele. So I don't understand this obsession. And when we sign players, we continue to sign players abasuka kuma team that have never won anything, that have never fought for the top 3, that have never even reached the final. At least ike Stellan Posha bosihlenduli bayidlalile. Finally MTN8 badlalile finally CAF Confederations Cup bona nabo Dino van Rooyen. So the signing yabo makes sense. Good to know. These ones they're confident, they know how to play at that level. We'll use the basketball as an example. Has LeBron James ever cabanga ukuthi I think yodlalela team la ngana nomuntu ewana ke wadlala final NBA? Am I going to carry the team alone? Am I going to push the team alone kube yimo ithatha ngibeke ku final? Ozuna Police is a different story bafethu suku ke win bronze nebafana ku AFCON. So a player like that knows what it's like competing at the highest level, fighting for each udlalela team encane. Those are the players that you need to sign. Chiefs and Pirates continue to make wrong signings. Labantu labe kuyiba bascout ama player. These guys are talented players, don't get me wrong, but maybe these guys need to go shine at other teams, not at Orlando Pirates. Umasilela yini azoyenza for Orlando Pirates? Has he ever played a final? Has he ever been in a small team ekukuthi lwili kodlalela final? I would have understood the signing of Nganana. I would have understood if Pirates but signing Nganana. Why? Durban City buye winner in Nedbank Cup against all odds. They finished top 8 in the league. Nganana ubuye challenge Pirates and made sure that he leads the team yake to not concede a single goal against the Pirates in the second last game of the season. That's a player that you need a team in yako. That's a player that you need a team in yako. But I know Pirates ayikuboni lokho. Bokulandela iplayer lo uzuzibuza ukuthi lo mjita lo nuke wadlala kuphi kwa compete kuphi. Has he even played for at least under 21 bafana? No. Has he ever played for under 17 ke at least? No. Lo mjita lo ufike kuphi ne team yakhe? What did he offer his team? What did he contribute? You need to check his CV yama player. Yeka lento kusayina ama player nge social media njenge Chiefs. Babana lo mjita lo mtasi ngakhipha ama pass ku social media. They thought uzofika ku Chiefs and do the exact same thing. PSL is a different story. Abantu baya pressure ama coach adlala ama offside trap lo muntu uzo struggle ukwenza ezinye izinto. So look at someone like Mabu as an example. Ufike lapha ku Kaizer Chiefs, he has experience of winning cups. He has the experience of winning league. Une experience okudlala iCAF. Une experience okcompete iJersey la kune competition khona kugcwele. He played for Mamelodi Sundowns la bekune competition eningi. Makafika kuKaizer Chiefs yaziveza ukuthi usuka kuphi. He's very confident, akasabu ukushuta, akasabu ukuthatha ama risk because of la esuka khona. He ends up sometimes being a box to box even though he doesn't have to because of where he comes from, because of the pressure le asuka kuyo. But it's a different story to Chiefs ne Orlando Pirates. Sekumele size sithuki Sundowns, ithi Sundowns mosha ama career wabantu kuze laba abayithu bathola ama player. Angiunderstand le nto leyo bafethu. Siyabonga ukuthi ni join abafethu. Sayiqhubeka la ni conversation yethu ku TikTok boss. To you boss, thank you so much. Sicela ukuthi usivalele yona and let's just carry on. So mina yiyo leyo ke bafethu into enkhala ngayo. Imagine uncanana yena lo bekathi Pirates is just a name, uyamsign umfaka ku Pirates and then adlale lo mjita lo aziprove. He's already confident because unibonisile ukuthi mina can compete against Orlando Pirates. Now those are the kind of players that you go for. Uzulu is a very good player. Yes, we understand Richard Speyer ibambi Orlando Pirates last season, but kunalama kangena nawe uyambona ukuthi the pressure of playing for a team that big. Phela if Pirates bengayiwinanga le game leya bekazoba senkingeni because abantu abaningi bebazothi ungena abaslopa yenza ama mistake, but someone like uChabatsane would have played well. Why? Marumo Gallants idlalile final the Pirates. Marumo Gallants know how to hold the Orlando Pirates. He was there. He played well. Contributed. He made sure he was compact lapha emuva, led defense yakhe. Thatha umuntu onjalo. Now you watch Golden Arrows the way bambe ngakhona iKaizer Chiefs. Uyayibona ukuthi Golden Arrows bajwayele competing at that level. I don't understand. Lo mfana lona ayabulela Maxwell. I don't understand why asase Golden Arrows. Chiefs and Pirates kanti ni scouta kanjani? Here's a young star that can contribute for you. I don't understand lo mfana lona uzwane ukuthi usase khona kanjani. Youngster mthatheni Khumalo, how's Khumalo still lapha? Why don't you sign those type of players nebathathe bajoin ama teameni kube yibo abacontribute banshintshela izinto zibe right. So Orlando Pirates, it was very disappointing leya game leyana esibonile, and if this is how they're going to continue to perform throughout the season, they're going to be tested lapha ku CAF Champions League, and it's going to be a very long season for them. As Utso would say, a very long season. Izoba yindele season for Chiefs ne Pirates. Ama team by study shili Pirates kuto laba kahle bathanda ukudlala kakhulu ngama wing ngama left back ne right back yabo sibelebele Ndaba oHoto yiba abantu abathanda ukusupply kakhulu, and then Tsepang Muremi no Ozwina Police have to tuck in ba convert babe lento lesibiza nge number 10, and then badlalisana nalo muntu lola, and then uyanela Mbuthuma don't even count him noma ningemshiya isolated ayikho into azoyenza. iDurban City just showed other teams ukuthi Orlando Pirates ibanjwa kanjani. Smart coaches will take those tactics and apply them. Why? Orlando Pirates so last season they struggled in set piece defending, they struggled ngokubreak ama low block, but they are not signing players that can change and improve lezo zinto. Uncanana uSolido move asimsayine ngesiconsider ama set piece amaningi. Siyambona labafana laba abanye abo Maxwele abo Zwane ba creative lapha as number 10s. That's how a number 10 plays. Asisayine lo mfana lo asilanda bomkobodi, silanda bomasilela, silanda yonke lento legcwele ko Stellenbosch na ko Richard Speyer na ku in maceda lapho lezo zinto lezo gizo ziba inking.